I want to show you a locking feature for your trash can to keep animals out. This is for raccoons so they can't get into your trash, or for bears. Now, we don't have any bears here, but there are raccoons around here. So let me show you. These are straps, and you fasten them to the lid of your garbage can. So I've got them positioned so that the openers that you press on to open it and close it are right here, right below the lid. I've got them taped on so I can show you how you would install them. You get this pack of bolts, and so you'll have to drill 4 holes in your can. And right here is where the holes go, inside these little middle things. One there. So you need to get a marking pen and mark the place where you want to drill. Those are for the top, the lid. At the other end, the strap has a similar fastener as up here. So you just bring it down and mark it at the bottom where you want to drill the bottom hole, and just don't get it too tight. You want to be able to open and close it easily, so leave it a little bit loose, not too much. Then you're going to, of course, put the 2 remaining bolts in the bottom, and then you're done. And then you should be safe from animals getting in your trash. I want to thank the brand for sending me this. It's really ingenious. I think that they come up with a great idea for keeping animals out of your trash.